Hello, it's me, Marisha. Welcome to my world. Today, I decided to show you how to create this quick and easy floral nail art design. So please subscribe and turn on the little bell to never miss my new uploads. And now let's just get into it. Alright, so this is kind of how my nails turned out, but your flowers may be a little bit different than mine because all of the flowers are individual. Because I'm not stamping, I'm using dotting tool, and I have a lot of dotting tools actually, but I just ended up using only one. And yes, depends on whether your nails are short or long, you can change the size of it. So yeah, these are the polishes that I'm going to be using. Purple one, baby blue one, and yellow one. And of course, top coat and base coat are necessities. So after applying your base color over the base coat, you can apply clear polish or top coat to smooth the surface out. But I find that it's really, not important. So it's like optional. So I skipped that part. And I'm going to be using this purple, which my mother bought me, and I'm super thankful because I like this shade so much. And I find that the best way to create flowers is first creating petals, and then in the middle, the yellow part should be created after you create your petals. So that way you can smooth the flower out and make it look a little bit more beautiful. So I just added some random dots onto my nail. Again, this purple still seems like it's blue, but it's not. So I'm just applying some dots onto my nail. It's really easy to do it even with your opposite hand. Even with your non-dominant hand, it's really easy, so you're not going to have any problem with it. And if you do think that if you're like a perfectionist, it may not be for you, because yeah, flowers can not be perfect when you're creating it with dotting tool. So even if they are not so perfect and they're not looking the same, they're still pretty, and I think that it's really easy to do it. So yes, these are really quick and easy way to make your nails look absolutely gorgeous. And you can create different colors. Of course, you can create different flowers and different sizes, and also the gap between flowers and the distance between flowers can be a little bit longer for you or shorter for you. I don't know, I just randomly added some flowers onto my nail, so I still like how it looks like. And after you're done with your flower petals, then go ahead and dip your brush. Of course, clean your brush in between every flower or so, and then start making the little heart of the flowers, which of course should be any color you'd like to, but I think that the yellow one looks perfect. And I also added some half flowers or little parts of the flowers that I couldn't create entirely, so I just added some parts of the flowers at the sides of my nails. And I kept adding some polishes onto the paper because paper soaked up the polishes, of course, but yes, I still use the paper. And I also kept cleaning the dotting tool in between each flower or so, as I've told you already. And basically, I'm repeating the same. First, I'm creating purple flower petals, and then yellow part in the middle of the flower. And sometimes I'm flipping the dotting tool for different size dotting tool, because sometimes I need to create smaller petals, and sometimes I also change the pressure that I'm using for creating dots, so that way I can control the size of the dot. So if you press too hard, it's going to be a larger dot, and if you press just a little bit, it's going to be a small dot. So yes, you can do that or change the size of the dotting tool. Of course, you can do this as an accent nail. It's going to look very pretty, or you can do it on all of your nails, just like I did. So, of course, it's personal preference, and yes, you can do it with all of the different colors, rainbow colors. I think it will look amazing. For cleanup, you can just dip your brush into nail polish remover and clean around your nails. And don't mind this brush that I have. These bristles are going in all different directions. I thought I would cut them, but apparently it made it worse. So please ignore this crazy brush bristles that are going in all different directions. And that's basically it. All you're gonna do now is just apply your top coat, which you're going to be and you should be very careful about it to not to smear your design. So just try to apply a little bit thickly and make sure to not to do too many strokes and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Farewell.